This video is brought to you by Imagination. Hi, welcome to the first tutorial of Fireland Adventure. Before we get started, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone that helps this channel and all the support. Alright, so on to the video.
You're watching Fireland Tutorials.
The first thing you need to understand that you need to grasp on how to use the skin system for Virtual Droid. Virtual Droid is when you enter the digital world to meet thousands of people, and you can explore many worlds. The major part is having your own skin. Today I'm showing you on how to do that. It's pretty simple. Alright, let's get started. Alright, please have Google Chrome and Google Drive so you can get started. When you open YouTube, search up Virtual Droid 2 skins. This shows many videos displaying different types of skins. Pick a video and see what skins are available and what you like. Amazing work! Once you have picked the skin that you really like, click on the blue highlighted link. You will be sent to Google Chrome inside the Drive file page. And stop, as I will explain how you can save the file and an easy way as we continue to get the skin for the game. And please make sure you are signed in as well. When you're finally at the Google Drive page, change it to desktop mode as you continue. And click the Drive icon. If you don't have a folder as you open it, you can save it right there and close it. Open your drive and find the shared file. Please click Show File Location and click the Download button. Once you have downloaded it, please go back to your drive and upload the saved file. When it is done uploading, please change the permission settings to Viewer on the file. Congratulations! The hard work is done. Please copy the file link and head over to the game. You can now sign in and go over to the skin creation section. Look for the Droid option and click it. Please add your skin link that you have copied from your drive. Once you have saved it to the list, click the load button and you will join the game. If you thought this was interesting, check out the other videos listed on your screen. Thank you for watching.